Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Hello, security conscious crypto enthusiasts. In this video, we are delving into the steps on how to add Coinbase to your Authenticator app in 2024. Stay tuned if you're keen on enhancing the security of your Coinbase account throughout the two-factor authentication. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, as you may not know, when you try to create your Coinbase account for the first time, you can't really, it's like automatically happens. So the two-factor authentication doesn't really need from you to be like to go to somewhere or to manage to go to settings or to do something crazy. It's pretty simple. So when you try to actually create your account for the first time, so let me just try here to click on sign out, and yep, here I'm going to click on sign up, and here as you can see I'm just gonna fulfill these informations. Let me just try and grab this email address. So here I'm gonna paste that. Let me just get this one, paste it here. And so after I click like that, create free accounts. So an account exists already with this email. So let's try another email for fun. I don't know, let's try this one. So there we go, let's try this one and create free account. So once I'm done with this step, basically they are going to take us directly after the sign up, as you can see here, to the two-factor authentication. So it's not a matter of you actually add it or not, but it's simply you are forced to do it. So first of all, when you create your email, the first thing is obviously to receive the verification on your email inbox. So go to your inbox, Coinbase, as you can see right here, and verify email address. So this is basically the first method that they will usually ask you for. Then right after I have verified my address, well, as you can see right here, they will simply ask you for your phone number. So here they will send you to secure your account with two-factor authentication. They will send you a phone number, like they will send you a code to your phone number. So make sure to put here your phone number. Now, the numbers of phone numbers that I accept are very limited to the US and some other European countries. So if you are not from one of these countries, what you could do is to simply head up to 5sim, which is a very useful tool to get your numbers ready to go. So simply all you need to do is to select the service. So here I'm going to choose Coinbase as my service. There we go. And here's to the country. So make sure to choose the accepted countries here. So there's some numbers. You can get some numbers from here. But in general, you might not find every single country right here. So yeah, it is completely up to you to search for it. Then here, for example, if you couldn't find any countries, just search here for any one of these countries right here. Usually we go for the US or the UK, so USA. Here we go. Click on it, and here you have a number which is gonna be bought by 22.9 rupees. So this website is also free, but you know the price is pretty cheap. It is only like a number for 0.27 cents, which is a very decent and cheap price. After you buy the number, you will receive like the number like in this area right here. So what you will need to do is to copy the number, paste it right here, and click on continue. After you do so, a code will be sent to the website itself. So you will have a code right here. Copy the code and paste it again right here. So this is the process that you must usually follow. So paste it right here. As you can see, it is after like you put the number. So let me just show you, for example. Let me, for example, use this country right here and try this number. I think I have bought it already. So let's click on continue. And normally here you must enter a code. So the code will be sent to you in this number, and you'll usually or normally you must put the code right here. So please enter the one-time code sent to your phone number. Now as you might know, even if you found your country right here, sometimes the code will not be sent to you. Well, it really varies on a lot of things, if Coinbase is supported in your country, if not, etc., etc. But in general, this is where you have to put the code. And after that, after you finish with that, so this is the first two-factor authentication. So two-factor, basically there's two ways. So this is the first factor, which is your phone number as code. The second factor is basically by using the authentication app. Well, there is a lot of authentication apps, so authentication apps. So as you can see here, there is the main ones basically are the Google Authenticator and the Microsoft Authenticator. I don't really suggest you to go for any other authenticator app because usually they will be like, they can be scammed, they can be a lot of things. So what I highly suggest you to go for is the Google one and the Microsoft one. These are the main authenticators that you should go for. Otherwise, I don't suggest you to go for any one of them. So here we have this Google Authenticator. Simply what you need to do is to download it on your mobile phone, and then after you finish with this step, they will give you like a QR code that you can scan. Just grab your mobile phone, scan this, and you will simply have here, let me just show you. So let me show you like the images, how it looks like. So yeah, it looks something like that. So you will have here, for example, Coinbase, your email, and here the code. The code will be changing every few seconds. Few seconds, I mean 10, 6, 7, I don't know exactly, but they are very, very limited time. With this authentication, your account is very safe, since they wouldn't actually be able to guess the number, since it is changing every second in another. So this is a very, very high authentication tool to be using. So here, as you can see, let me just show you like a bigger picture. So yeah, for example, if you were using Coinbase, because here on your app of Authenticator, you will be able to add many applications from Facebook. Any account that has two-factor authentication, you can add it right here. So after you add it, simply just search for that exact account. For example, Coinbase, make sure to name it Coinbase so you don't mix it up with other apps, and go and copy the code and write it on the Coinbase website. This is exactly how you can turn on or add the two-factor authentications to your Coinbase account. Nothing hard about it, guys, nothing complicated. You simply have to follow the steps that I have shown you and you will be able to do it. So nothing is very complicated about these steps. You simply have to get a phone, download the Authenticator app, and you will be good to go. So guys, thank you a lot for watching, and if you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorials. Bye bye.